Here I am, just entering Colorado. There's some female deer and geese and Horsetooth. I used to go fishing over here a lot and catch bass on my float tube. Just on the outside of the swim area, both ways. Just me and the geese today. Nice little swim area, isn't it? I used to go on the other side there too. Been all over this lake. Here I am at Horsetooth Reservoir. This is one of my favorite lakes to fish at and spend time at. It's a very big lake, man-made, dammed up, deep, very deep. I have caught a lot of fish here on float tubes and rafts and boats, and I love this place. It's about 6 a.m. and I'm staying with my son right now. We're heading up for Leadville to go to a cabin that I rented for a couple of nights and to do some fishing at a couple of lakes up there. One's called Twin Lakes and the other's Turquoise Lake. And that's going to be fun. He bought himself a new float tube yesterday. I have my float tube and my paddle board. So we're going to have fun. And hopefully my other son will join us when we go. He's supposed to meet us up there. This is going to be a great day. Early in the morning, and the weather is perfect. A lot better than that Arizona weather at 114 degrees. And I hear it's getting worse this week. So I'm very happy with it. This is a nice trip so far. And I'm just in heaven, honestly. I am in heaven. The weather is so perfect right now. And I feel so good. But here comes a duck. Yeah, you're the duck. See the duck coming in? There it is. Made a nice little landing there. It saw me and just decided to come in, I guess. That's a little hen all by herself. Apparently she likes this area. She's probably looking for food. I bet people feed them here too, just like they did at Lake Mead. She's like, this is a picnic area, so she probably eaten here before. There's geese here too. Here comes another one. And that's a drake, I think. That's probably her mate. I love ducks. They are beautiful. Different colors. These are mallards. Just like the one in Lake Mead. Here are the two ducks that just flew in. Aren't they cute? Told you they were looking for food. Wherever I go, people feed the ducks. I'm not going to feed them this time. There'll be plenty of people here today that will feed them. Aren't they cute though? That drake doesn't look all that old itself. They're looking for food under the bench. All right, let's move on. Now we're off to going to Leadville to fish Twin Lakes. I'm gonna go get some coffee, pick up my son, and then we're gonna hit the road. It's gonna take about 3 hours to get there, but it's gonna be beautiful up there. It's another beautiful favorite lake of mine, and the canyon is so beautiful, especially at sunset. So I don't know if we'll be there that long. We'll see. But I gotta go get some coffee, pick up my son, pack up, and off the road we go. I'm about ready to step into the cabin. Such a beautiful sight. Took a little walk from the cabin. What is it? Not biting very hard. My goodness, that's a nice size one. Wow, that's pretty good size. Very nice. Good job. All on a rooster tail. You're the first one to bring one in. The rainbow.
What do you have to say about that?
Yay! Oh, look at that big fish. They jumped up there. Probably a bass. But I used to fish here all the time. One thing about people that fish, we come out early in the morning before all the other people come. See, this is just one of the coves. Now, isn't that the most beautiful thing you've ever seen? Oh, I just want to stick my pole out there. Look at that valley. Don't you just want to walk through that? All these beautiful red cliffs. And up there is the trail. Or here to the left is the trail that's a 10-mile hike from open space. And it brings you down into this next to the lake. And then to the south. Oh, that's just gorgeous. Here I am on my paddleboard at Horsetooth, and I might try some fishing. I get out here a little bit and I might turn around because I want to fish by these trees. I've had bites here in the past for bass, so that's why I'm going to try here, because I'm sure there's a nice little hangout with all these trees. My son's here too. He's on a float tube that he just bought. He's got one, but he wanted to buy another one. All right, let's give him a shot. Let's see how my son's doing. You got your net. Oh. On that frog lure? Oh, crawdad, huh? Yeah, I haven't had a bite so far. What'd you catch, a little perch?
That was a little smallmouth bass.
Oh, was it? Nice.
Oh, it's a bass.
Oh, it's a nice size one too, huh? Oh my goodness. Pull it up, I got you on camera. Oh, nice. Very nice. What do you think about 14, 15 inches? Oh, you got a measure on there?
No, there's no trees.
About 14 inches.
14 inches? Looks like about the size we were catching yesterday. Good job. My turn, my turn. You're not going to outfish me today.
Where's your pole?
Right there. I just got it baited up.
You're not
It was just around this little rock that you caught it, huh?
I didn't think there'd be any because those kids are swimming, but...
Well, there's probably crevices that these bass are hiding in around the rock. Here. Your worm, sir. I've been putting trash right here. Nice. My turn. My turn. Oh, I got in a tree. Here I am floating in the rain under some trees in the water. Trying to keep somewhat dry. Probably worse out there, huh? This is a little emergency tarp that I carry with me in my waterproof bag, and it's working out really good here to keep me warm in the rain, in the water. There's a turkey in the road. A little Jenny. This is a ride I used to take all the time when I lived up here. Just beautiful to see all the mountains. I stopped here because there's an old house in those trees. I don't know how old it is, but it's pretty old and doesn't look like anybody lives there anymore. That house is in those trees. I can see a part of it there. Those trees really grew this year. It's been about, I don't know, 8 years since I've been here. Used to be able to see the house a little bit better. And there were always, every time I came here, there were deer. I don't see any now. It's a nice little place. This is the famous Eisenhower Tunnel, one of the longest tunnels in the United States, going through the mountain. The weather could be snowing on one side and sunny on the other. I've been through here when it was like that, when it was snowy on one side and sunny on the other. I've been through this tunnel many, many times. And then we're going to start going downhill towards Dillon and Frisco. There we are, on the other side of the world. For a new campground that I'm going to try out, as in a city, Yuba City, and it looked really nice online, so I want to check it out. Never been there before, but apparently it even has green grass, and you can make reservations, it seemed, but not for today. Today seemed to be walk-in, so first come, first serve. That's what I gather. It did seem a little spendy, but it might be worth it because there's trees there. And it's about an 8-hour drive, which is my halfway point. And so how long I'd like to drive before camping, and then I'll take whatever's left, how many miles left, the next day, and I'll reach home. And I think it was about over 6 hours from this campsite to get home. So I'm looking forward to seeing this campsite. I'm hoping it's going to be a future stop on the way to and from Colorado. I've already been to Sand Flat in Moab, Utah about 3 times now, so it's time for a new area to try out. When I look online on looking for campgrounds, it hasn't been that easy to find places that are 8 hours. But I found more in Utah this last time that I don't remember seeing in the past. Hello, I'm at Yuba Reservoir in Utah, and I just got me a site. This is Yuba City Campgrounds. Oasis Campground is in the particular part I'm in, and look, it's right up, back up against the lake here. I'm not going in the water, I'm not fishing here. I'm just camping because this is my stop, halfway point stop to before I get home in Arizona. And I decided not to go back to Sand Flat. I decided to try a new spot. And this was about 45 miles out of my way, but it sounded nice on the internet, so I thought I'd try it. And it cost $40 just for the van and me. But there are showers here and bathrooms, a fire pit, a bench, and a small spot. I got my screen up. I put up my screen on my back and on my windows, and on my side. And now I'm just going to relax, enjoy the evening. I'm going to go to bed early so I have a nice rest for tomorrow when I go home and prepare for whatever next adventure will be coming my way. But see, this is kind of nice out in a valley, almost like out in the middle of nowhere. But you got some greenery. I don't know what kind of bushes these are, but they have some berries on it. And then there's the road up there, but this is really out in the middle of nowhere. If you go this way, you're heading towards Salt Lake City. If you go this way, heading towards Las Vegas. So you can see the site. It's a small site, but for just spending the night up against the lake with a nice breeze flowing, it is really nice. I like it. This is called Yuba Reservoir. And it's only about 6 or 7 hours to get home from here. So it's not bad. And I get up in the morning. I was hoping to clean up and then head home. But this is really nice. I can take a stroll on the beach here. Wouldn't that be nice? I'll do that tonight. I don't think I'll take you with me. So this is where I'm camping. Isn't it beautiful? Those foothills. I don't know if I can't zoom in on it. But isn't that beautiful? It's a nice little campground for a halfway point when I go to Colorado. I go to Colorado a lot. I've gone this way to I-15 several times. I hope you like the picture of the Badlands. I always go by there. I always stop there and I take pictures. But I never really do anything until this time. I'll put them on the video. But I always go this way. So I thought I've been keeping an eye out for other campgrounds that are about halfway distance from where I live to Colorado, and this is one of them, and it's a nice one, and I feel safe here, and it's beautiful right now. What is this, August 1st? Something like that, or tomorrow is August 1st. And August 1st I should be burning up, but it is nice. Very nice. I love it. I got the mountains over there. This is very nice. And I'm very comfortable. Well, I'm leaving Yuba Reservoir now, and I'm going to it's about 6 hours to get home, and it was a nice stay. I slept really well. This is such a beautiful area. I like the mountains a bit better, but it was worth staying just to get a good night's sleep. I'm heading home from my vacation now. Thank you for joining me on the vacation. I had an absolutely perfect time. I intended on speaking more when I went on this vacation, but I was having so much fun I sort of forgot. But thank you for watching anyway. I hope you enjoyed it. Be safe. We'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.